Yo.
Stop trying to be me.
So here's he's trying to put in a bulb for my license plate.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think,
Is it sass and crack and rickin' and rackin'? Huh?
it's so fucking weird. Stop doing it. Just stop. That's fun. I don't think these bulbs are supposed to come out like that.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't think so.
What happened?
Well, the other one came out. This one won't. Stop. Little camera woman.
Sass and crackin', rickin' and rackin'.
What the fuck?
What's your saying for the day? Do you got something?
Yeah.
What?
Point that thing somewhere else.
Right here?
Fucking don't. I don't know what the. The other one I got out, but this one don't wanna come out of here.
It's a challenge.
No.
I smell a challenge.
Yeah, fuck. I'm probably supposed to do more.
Yeah, there you go. More shit.
I swear they do this crap on purpose.
Oh, of course they do. One time I had a headlight out, and it took a special tool to get in there.
Yeah.
And it just so happened that my stepdad had the tool. Otherwise, it would have cost me $100 to take it to the dealer and have him do it.
What?
Yeah. Maybe this has a special tool. I'm sure you have it. If it does.
Are you really doing video?
I am. I'm recording you. All right, we're gonna go now. Yo. Okay, so we're still at it. Did you get it?
I got it.
Oh, now he's putting it back.
Oh, it's an amazing story.
Look at that.
You can watch it on YouTube.
All
Look,
back together.
look at the pretty
those lights. I like it. Okay, bye.